Hey y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is system test 63. So, we have my Kitty 278B, or K278B, whatever it's called. We have my integrity remote strobe, the 15 candela synchronized strobe. We have my system sensor i3, and we have my Edwards pre-integrity on horn and strobe. So, just gonna get this video started. But before I get this video started, don't pull fire alarms from real buildings, and if you're sensitive to strobe lights, please do not watch this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now we're going to test the i3. So, I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this little system test. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!